Bright Bay. We're here at the next station. So thank you for the days. We are here to get chips or what's it called? Twisted chips. So we're gonna try this one. Let's see how its goods looks like or how its goods like and taste. You know. So my kids just love this one, but I'm not really fan of this one. But there's because it's like salt in it, but it's depend on how many salt that you wanna have in it. But then let's see and have a try. Let's go. You see that one? This one, salt. Any kind of salt in here, like a brown salt. Any kind. So the one chips, the chips. So that's we're gonna having now the hot dogs and maybe the chips or the twisted chips. So no matter what is this tastes like, but we're going to have a try and wait for and think how many minutes for waiting. I think we have to wait for 20 to 15 minutes before it's gonna get cooked, and let's go. Okay guys, this event is end. The cutoff time is 10 o'clock, so better hurry up and enjoy our day for the day. This is I think 9 o'clock in midnight, so let's go. You see around the place lots of people around the place, because we having an event here in our place where we are. I cannot tell where we are, but
you already said that.
Yeah, in the first place I already said. So now we're gonna have our chips. Just that babe. Look at that babe. Wow.
That is very hot.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Let's see what kind of a salt you're gonna have.
Really have
As a normal one. Okay, let's have normal salt.
I don't know. I'm just gonna.
I think normal salt. Let's go. This one we're waiting for this for 15, no, I think 20 seconds.
That is as big as my tip.
20 seconds. So how big is it?
My tip.
How long is it? That's gonna be yum. Let's go and try to eat this. Let's see and taste.
It looks like
what,
apple slices. Like, you know,
is it good or not?
Legit.
Still hot. There's some flavoring in it already, but yeah, it's good. Tastes like chips. It's really soft, like very fresh vegetables, but I don't know. The oil in it is fresh as well, and the butter as well is fresh. So let's go.
Finally.